Hello, everyone, and welcome to Mr. English Conversation for You.
Hi, everyone. I'm David.
And I'm Emily. Today we'll have a long, fun English conversation for beginners.
That's right. We'll talk about many simple topics: daily life, family, hobbies, food, and more.
So sit back, relax, and practice listening and speaking with us.
Let's get started.
Hi, David. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing great. It's a beautiful day today.
Yes, it is. So, Emily, can you tell our listeners a little about yourself?
Sure. My name is Emily. I'm from Canada. I'm an English teacher, and I love helping people learn English.
That's wonderful. I'm David. I'm from the United States. I work as a tour guide, and I enjoy meeting people from all over the world.
That sounds like a fun job.
It really is.
What's your daily routine like?
Well, I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and then I make a cup of coffee.
Sounds nice. Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I usually eat toast and eggs. Sometimes I eat cereal. What about you?
I wake up at 7 a.m. I drink water first, then I do a little exercise. After that, I take a shower and have breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat fruit and yogurt.
Emily, how's the weather in Canada now?
It's cold. It's winter here, and sometimes it snows.
Oh, wow. I love snow. Here in Los Angeles, it's sunny almost every day.
That's nice. I like sunny weather too, but sometimes I miss the snow when it's Christmas time.
Yeah, snow makes it feel like a real Christmas.
Do you have a big family, David?
Not really. I have a small family, my parents and one younger sister.
That's nice. What does your sister do?
She's a nurse. She works at a hospital. How about your family?
I have two brothers. One is married and has two kids. The other is still in college.
Wow, that's wonderful. Do you see them often?
Not really. We all live in different cities, but we call each other every week.
Let's talk about food. What's your favorite food, Emily?
Mmm, I love pizza.
Pizza. Me too. What's your favorite topping?
I like cheese and vegetables. What about you?
I like pepperoni, and I love spicy food.
Really? I can't eat spicy food.
Oh, I love it. I even put chili sauce on my eggs.
Wow, that's too spicy for me. What do you like to do in your free time, David?
I like to play the guitar and watch movies. How about you?
I like reading books and listening to music.
What kind of music do you like?
I love pop music. My favorite singer is Taylor Swift.
Ah, she's great. I like her songs too.
You said you're a tour guide. Have you traveled a lot?
Yes, I've been to many countries: Japan, Thailand, and Italy.
That's amazing. What's your favorite country?
I think Japan. The people are kind and the food is delicious.
I'd love to visit Japan someday.
You should. What country do you want to visit the most?
France. I went to see the Eiffel Tower.
When did you start learning English?
I started when I was in school, maybe when I was 10 years old.
That's early. Many people start learning English later.
Yes, but I didn't practice much back then. I improved when I started teaching.
Practice makes perfect, right?
Exactly.
Let's practice some simple questions for beginners.
Okay, you ask first.
What time is it now?
It's 10 o'clock. Your turn. Where do you live?
I live in Los Angeles. How about you?
I live in Toronto.
What do you do on Sundays?
I relax, watch TV, or go for a walk.
Nice.
Do you like using your phone?
Yes, I use it every day. I listen to podcasts, check emails, and watch YouTube.
Me too. I also use my phone to study languages.
That's a great idea. There are so many good apps for learning English.
Do you like shopping, David?
Sometimes. I like buying clothes and books. What about you?
I love shopping for shoes and bags.
Do you spend a lot of money?
Not too much. I try to save money.
Do you have any pets, Emily?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Max.
Aw, that's cute. What kind of dog is he?
He's a golden retriever. He's very friendly. Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Luna.
Aw, cats are lovely. How are you feeling today?
I feel happy and relaxed. How about you?
I feel good too, but sometimes I get tired after work.
Same year. When I'm tired, I listen to music to relax.
That's a good idea.
What are your dreams?
My dream is to travel the world and open my own English school.
That's a great dream.
What about you?
My dream is to visit 50 countries and make a travel vlog.
Wow, that's exciting. David, do you like going to the mall?
Yes, I do. I usually go on weekends.
What do you buy there?
I often buy clothes, shoes, and sometimes books. What about you?
I like window shopping. Sometimes I just walk around and look at things.
Do you buy snacks when you go shopping?
Of course. I love bubble tea and donuts.
Yum. I like ice cream when I go to the mall.
When was your last vacation?
Last year, I went to Thailand.
Wow. What did you do there?
I visited temples, went to the beach, and tried local food.
That sounds amazing. Did you like Thai food?
Yes, it was delicious, especially pad thai.
I love pad thai too. My last vacation was in Paris.
Ooh, romantic. Did you go to the Eiffel Tower?
Yes, I did. It was beautiful, especially at night.
So, Emily, what's your job like?
I'm an English teacher. I teach kids and adults. It's fun, but sometimes tiring.
I can imagine. Teaching takes a lot of energy.
What about you?
I work as a tour guide. I show visitors around the city.
That sounds like a fun job.
It is. I meet people from different countries every week.
Well, we talked about so many topics today.
Yes, daily routine, food, family, hobbies, and more.
I hope our listeners enjoyed this long conversation.
And I hope they learned new words and phrases.
Remember, everyone, practice speaking every day.
That's the secret to fluency.
Thank you for listening to Mr. English Conversation for You.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.